Okay, this one is called the Ecoscapes, and it's from Sam's. It costs $19.99 on sale right now. And it's the LED color changing rope light. This one's actually more of a thicker light than most. It's got this rubber coating around the LEDs, and it's water, indoor, outdoor. They have these connectors that will allow it to be indoor and outdoor. And if you notice here, there's a little bubble here. This is the infrared for how you control it with your remote. So we'll plug it in. It comes with some clamps so you could like screw it down. And there's your remote. It's a pretty simple remote. It doesn't do very many fancy things. It's $19.99. It's a 15-foot rope light. You can increase it up to 150 feet by just adding more to it. So basically, let's do some functions here. I'm going to set it to Glacier, which is a white light, red, green, purple, blue, and then there's like this crisscross pattern. That's pretty much what it does when you hit that. Light blue, yellow, then there's like a little upside down lightning bolt, and all it does is flash. Then there's this like little like tune looking thing here, and I think it slowly fades to the color. Yeah, that's what all it does. It doesn't change colors, it just slowly fades. Here's a little star pattern. It adds a blinking white light inside. A little snowflake. Snowflake appears to just flip the lights around like that randomly. Then you got this negative and positive, which speed up the lights or slow them down. I can barely tell when they're speeding and slowing down, but that's supposedly what it does. And then there's a play feature. I guess you can actually, after you do some, you can actually set up a play where it plays through all the colors. Let's try this, and then we'll hit the play button. There's a pause button too. So the play button will go for all the colors, which is pretty neat. So it's a pretty simple remote. That's about all it does. It doesn't do much else. It does turn it off. But if you want a simple light that stays mostly the same color throughout the usage, this is the one you could probably get. The LEDs are pretty prevalent, but if you have it behind a desk like I want to do, this might be good enough. It's a purple, but it's really simple. It's not really complex like some of the others. The good thing about this is it can be extended to 150 feet, which is amazing. So that's the Ecoscapes LED changing rope light from Sam's for $19.99.